remove cancer and mecha Hitler rises? Like,
what is this?
Okay, I've got a couple questions. Max, do you have a couple questions?
I do.
All right, you want to kick it off?
Sure.
If you guys got any random questions, whether on the chat or anyone on VP, feel free to ask.
All right. Here's one. Here's mine. If you get rid of the world of one disease, what would it be?
If what?
Oh, easy. Coronavirus.
The one that's happening right now. If you rid the world of one disease, what would it be?
Oh yeah,
coronavirus.
Miss Rona.
That's the
you
obvious.
can go.
Coronavirus.
Get rid of this
Sashay
one,
away.
so that way I can actually travel and without.
So I can actually
Right.
get back to work.
AIDS.
Miss Rona can sashay
AIDS.
away. We don't have to wear. Also,
That's a good one. Okay, so everyone here is what? Corona?
Yeah,
I mean,
a little-
if not for the obvious corona, I would say
Cancer.
Like cancer was like a mutation, so I wasn't sure if it was like a disease per
It's
se.
still a
But
disease.
yeah, I'd say cancer too.
It's still a disease.
Yeah, my grandma passed away from cancer last month. So yeah.
Dang. Oh yeah. Wow.
So yeah.
But then,
Trying to get some
like
progress.
erase it from now, or like from just existing. At all.
retroactively.
Am I putting too much thought into this?
What did you smoke?
I mean,
Can I have some?
Cheers, Joey. Cheers. Let me get on your level.
if you want to expand on that, Joey, feel free to go ahead.
Because then we got so many technologies from just trying to defeat cancer, and then
That's
True.
Yeah. So from in general from the past, or just at this moment in time, and then be done with it.
I said this moment in time and just be done with it.
yeah, this moment in time
For sure.
just be done with it.
I mean,
because you brought up an interesting
no,
point.
yeah.
Fucking with the timeline.
Mm-hmm.
If you learn anything from Avengers, if you
Or-
pull something out of the thread, fuck the future up.
Or Flashpoint.
Flashpoint.
You remove cancer and mecha Hitler rises. Like,
What is this? The Rick and Morty episode all of a sudden?
Oh God.
God. Okay, so we got a question from chat.
Why is
Alex so cool?
Alex,
so
please
cool.
answer your
I was
fan.
about
I don't
delete
know.
that.
I'm just Alex.
it's because he's from Russia. It's all just ice up there, right? Ice
So
and
cool.
vodka.
That's Iceland, no?
Chill.
No, I thought
It's
Greenland
very
was
chill.
ice and Iceland was.
Greenland is
Yes.
green.
No, it was actually the opposite. I remember hearing this. Anyways,
Yeah.
okay.
I was typing that I can the main question.
Actual question?
I think
The real question. The real question was if you get rid of the world, if you get to rid the world of one disease, what would it be?
COVID or cancer, right?
Outside of COVID, yeah.
Yeah.
COVID is a given.
Yeah.
We all want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think cancer definitely, because it's more of a fundamental disease that happens because of the mistakes in the DNA of our cells. So if we get rid of cancer, our lifespans could go way up to the moon.
To the moon.
To the moon.
Yeah, we could live hundreds of years if we got rid of the cancer. We would probably be limited by some other disease down the line, but cancer would give us a big boost in terms of living.
Yeah, I feel like we can go pretty deep on this. So
Yeah.
I'm pretty
Let's
sure
put a timer.
I feel like we should put a 5-minute timer on these topics.
On a single question.
Yeah.
Because when I did this temper tantrum, we dove deep.
Yeah. Some of these questions are dumb and some of these questions are just like,
Yeah.